right. We are live. Okay. All right. Good morning, everyone. Let me get the charts set up. All right. Okay. Start on the 4 hour to kind of slow things down. Let's pull up the cues. Maestro Lunas, good morning. Andy, good morning. All right. My life be like good morning. Good morning. Mass 3DRC. Let's see. And Bills, good morning. Good morning. All right. So to start the day off, let's take a look at what I have. All right, so to start the morning off, I did have two random puts I kind of grabbed on Alibaba. Think I'm gonna do a little see profit, take profit on those. But there is a pretty wide spread on those, so let's see. RLP, good morning. I don't know, the spreads are kind of wide on those puts. I might have to wait. But I'm up 87% on some puts that I grabbed from Derive on Alibaba. Just need some help getting out of them. Hold on, let me take a look at Baba. Yeah, I'm gonna actually hope that comes back down. Tatiana, good morning. Good morning. Let's see. So Nvidia just crossed to the downside on the 4 hour. So that's looking a little bearish right there. All right, so we're getting some volume on, or not volume, but we're getting Palantir just pushed up. Slide that over. Getting some pre-market volume. Oh, we need to pull up IWM as well. Yeah, I'm probably gonna have to close out on my downside on IWM, or my upside on IWM as well. Cause yeah, I'm gonna close out on my IWM. So those two IWM calls I had yesterday just are selling out of those as we speak. Bought two Google calls. I saw some Google calls on Derive this morning. I might have to look into that. I just need to kind of catch up real quick. Still trying to sell out of these IWM calls, or yeah, still trying to sell out of them. Every time I try to put my order in, the price moves down. So all right, so I got them filled. Let me take a screenshot of that. Lost like 82 on the two contracts I had. And then I feel like I had some that are far out of the money. I'm gonna close out of those too. SoFi popping up. All right, so now that I've closed out of okay, yeah, SoFi is popping up. So now that I closed out of those, I am going to, I want to take a moment to alert the Discord. Also make sure I take profit on Baba, cause all right, so I still took profit on Baba, just not as much as I would have. So those two SoFi puts I bought yesterday aren't doing so hot then, but I still have those SoFi calls from that I bought in last week. Now I'm down only 27 on them, so we'll see kind of how those end up doing. And then yesterday, those Palantir calls we scooped up. I think I'm in too many trades right now. Alright, so done with Baba. Done with IWM. Hey, Palantir is doing well. Yoko's Lair, good morning, good morning. So Palantir, SoFi, and then I got some like wild stuff on the spying queues. Alright, so yeah, let me update the Discord real quick, and then we'll get to things. So Matthews Trace, Palantir. Okay, so everyone took an L on this, sold out for okay. And then one more. All right, we're all good. Palantir going back to 80. That's something I would hope for. That is something I would hope for. So, Tommy Hill, good morning. All right, so let's see what we're looking at. So right here, SPY kind of got support down here at 604. Palantir is trying to push higher. I would like to see it kind of break above some of these levels. It was kind of good for it to like pull back like that. Oh yeah, we need to take a look at Google. Let's see. All right, so here, let's go to a 4-hour real quick. All right, so dang, okay. Yeah, so Google was riding this trend. They kind of came and touched this trend line. Oh, yesterday. Did we look at this yesterday? But yeah, Google, hey, it's back up there. Glam with Trika. Good morning, good morning. Oh, y'all make sure to, be sure to smash the like button. That ratio is atrocious. All right, so let's see. Come back down to like a 15. So we got Google moving up. Let's see how the SPY is doing. All right, so we're on a 15 for everything. Derek, good morning, good morning. Thank y'all to those of you who smashed the like button. I've never seen the ratio that bad. Let's see. SoFi. All right, so going down. I don't know. Face Whisperer, good morning. I appreciate you, my life you like. Alright, so Palantir looks the most interesting, or I guess Palantir and SoFi and Google. Okay, they all look interesting. They all got volume. I'm gonna drop down to a 5 actually on these. Yeah, Palantir looks good. Same here, same here. Let's see. It's probably not looking so hot to start the day. IWM pulling back. Let me take a quick look on my Palantir calls real quick. Oh, they're not up like crazy. So I'm up like 31%. Oh, I only bought one contract, that's why it doesn't seem like that much. Okay. I thought I had more Palantir calls for some reason. But yeah, if Palantir wants to move, I will not be mad. I'm gonna take a quick look, see if there's anything interesting on Derive while we're at it. So I see one. Oh, it says it has a low chance of being profitable. I was going to say, I see something interesting. There is a high open. Oh, no, yeah, I'm going to leave it alone. That's for NVIDIA. IWM. Yeah, I'm gonna leave those alone for now. Okay, so my Palantir contracts are further out. I grabbed an $86 call. I grabbed it for, it was like the cheap. Oh no, I was trying to get one for within a certain price. So yeah, I grabbed a $86 call that expires next week. It's currently up 40%. So the average cost is 77. It's currently worth 108. Says you're in the January 17th, $90 strike price. Okay. Nice. Let's compare delta. So my delta is 18. And your delta, let's see. Yo, I don't know what's up with my Google Chrome browser, but it keeps shrinking. Like I have it all the way and then it just like, not this one that's on this screen, but like on my other screen, it just keeps shrinking. That's the one where the chat and everything is. Does Derive AI do well when markets are open, or can it work? So it does stuff like it'll screen for plays while it's closed too. Like if you look at it, it has like kind of price targets and everything. But it's like I feel like the information about the contract pricing is going to be off if the contract is made while it's not on. Skittles, good morning. Happy to have you come through. Oh yeah, I was trying to go see the delta of Brother B's contracts. All right, so yeah, your delta, you got a better delta. Yours is like 23, and then contracts going for about 215 right now. It's up 26% on the day. So that's looking good. Dang. Okay, I'm gonna have to make this full screen. Thoughts on how the upcoming inauguration will affect the market? That's way too far out to tell. It depends on what state the market is in at that point, because the market could be up, the market could be down, and whatever effect it takes, it depends on how far we pushed up. I don't think the inauguration itself should have an event. I think it's more of like what happens after he's in and inaugurated. You see moves already being made right now, so I don't know. Skittle said that happens with old age. I forgot what I said, but I don't know. Oh, you're back home. Glad that you made it back home, and good morning, Lamar. All right. So Nvidia is kind of coming back to life. It looks like here. Let's pull it up on this one. Yeah, Nvidia. All right. So they kind of they open right here at 138, and they're kind of running. So yeah, it looks like they tapped into demand. Well, they were in a demand zone, but yeah, Nvidia is up. Kind of just watch them. So if they respect this trend, they could go to 146. Here, I'm gonna actually grab like a small contract on Nvidia if it's not too expensive. Let's see. So I just grabbed like two of those 155 calls that were on Derived just because of their crazy open interest. Yeah, they have like a 50,000 open interest at that strike price, and it's the 155 for next week. What do I think Palantir will do today? Or hit today? I don't know. It's like it's too early. It doesn't even have like a it's too early to say. You can't even really fully draw like a trend line from here yet. Like if it were to continue at the current trajectory, like say it doesn't come any lower than this on this candle and then we're on this trajectory, well, it keeps coming lower. So that's going to shift things. But if Nvidia were to stay on the trend on this trajectory, that would mean by like within an hour, it would be up here at $87. But that's not what I think. So honestly, we'll just have to see. Like my contracts on Nvidia, or not Nvidia, but Palantir expire next week. So I would say at the least my target, it may not be for today, but I know I say I'm not one for fair value gaps, but there is a fair value gap to about the 78.40 level. So that'll be, yeah, right there. That would kind of be like the larger target. I don't, to be real with you, I don't think this trend line is going to hold up. The EMA is like way down here. All right, let's see. Dang, I sold out of one of my Google contracts, was up 150, but now, hey, nice. Hey, glad to hear it, Tatiana. I know Roku kind of did a number on you yesterday, so hey, glad to see you coming back stronger. Yes, love to hear it. I got Nvidia 155 December 20th, and that was hey 200s. That's still nice too, but I got the Nvidia, but there was like nothing specific. I just saw it on Derive. I saw there was a lot of open interest, so that might be one that we notice people get in like later on. So hopefully we come up here, kind of consolidate, and I don't know. I feel like that when I got on Nvidia, that's gonna take until next week if it's gonna work out. Hakeem, welcome back. Welcome back. Oh yeah. Hey, be sure to smash the like button. Hakeem is here and Hakeem does not play. Alright, let's see. Let's see. So on the 5 minute. What do you think SoFi could go to? Higher. The next key level will be 614. But SoFi can go wherever it goes to. I'll let y'all know I'm not like a genie or a fortune teller. Hey, all I can do is just look at the charts. Still holding Roku. Take a quick look at Roku real quick. Let's see. Let's go to a 4 hour. Alright, yeah, so it's still doing that consolidation thing. So we'll probably get some kind of touch of the trend line soon, or maybe the EMA, and it'll decide to make its move. All right, let's see. Let's go SoFi, Palantir. Oh yeah, let's check out Robinhood. Zoom out a little bit. All right, so we're doing some consolidation here. Support's going to be around 39. Yeah, that's a good level of support. All right, that Roblox yesterday. Yeah, let's take a look at Roblox. All right, that's up like $2. All right. Okay. Did you barely grab those right now, or? Yeah, I just barely grabbed those. So, just want y'all to know that I just grabbed those calls from, like, I saw those on Derive and I was like, just cause so the two things that kind of made me say, okay, I'll go for it. We're in a demand zone and it looks like, it's holding up. The second thing, so yeah, that's going to be a big part. Just buying out of this demand zone, seeing that buying pressure. Second thing was just like the open interest on that other contract. It was, or on that contract, it was like 50,000. So, what about PayPal options? So right now, PayPal, this does look kind of like a buy level. As long as we hold above this kind of 88.50 kind of level, this is a good zone to pick up in my opinion, just because it's a demand zone. Otherwise, if we fall below this, I would say we could fall to like 86 or something. But this looks like a good buy zone. It's just I would make sure to get a couple weeks if I were looking to do it. But I have like a lot of other stuff I'm watching right now, or like I have contracts on, so I'm not trying to like pick anything up on PayPal just because I have a lot of shares. Good morning, Dorothy. C3 AI did the film Flim Flam. What calls? I was talking. So here, let me show y'all. So y'all, it's on the website. Derive AI. This website is free at the moment. These are the calls I got. It was a 155 call strike. I paid a little bit more than 30 cents or $30 for it, but yeah, I got that. This is the target it shows, but I see this open interest and it's already well above this target. I'm just gonna kind of this is gonna be one I probably have to ride in the next week, but the probability of it reaching, oh, it already hit the target. Okay, but it says you have a low chance of being profitable, so pay attention to that. The reason that I'm so attracted to this trade is just this crazy open interest being here. I want to kind of see how it plays out. I didn't throw anything big in it. I grabbed like 2 contracts. All right, let's see. Forward volume was too low. Forward's volume is like always too low. So if we look at forward, here, let's see. Oh, we might need to look at forward on a different, here, let's look at forward down here. So even with SoFi right here, you can see the volume is like 65K. And SoFi's volume isn't anything crazy. Forward is like 18, so it's almost 25% of that of SoFi. And if we look at the SPY is, oh, SPY's kind of low too. Yeah, we got some volume on Tesla. AMD, Nvidia. So yeah, the volume on a lot of stuff is low, but yeah, Ford's volume is really, really low. Well, now it says it's 68. Okay, so that's for the stock, but for the options, it's usually low because this is actually considered a lot of movement for PayPal or Ford. Is QQQ a buy or put for today? Right now, if you look at where it's been since it's opened, it moved up from 22 up to 25. So it's in a tight range. Like my alert this morning for the range, I had support at about 521, resistance at about 524. Let me see. Yeah, so we got a wick of that 524 level. It actually went up to 525, but it didn't hold. So it's like right now it's still trading between that range, and right now it's just a no trade right now. It's like it's not always buy or sell. Sometimes it's like wait. Waiting is an option, and waiting is what you honestly should be doing most of the time in the market, because if it's not giving you anything, and if you're trading options, that time is going to quite literally be money, and that's going to be money working against you, not money working for you. All right, quick moment for some ASMR. About to take some gulps of this water, so if that makes you uneasy, prepare yourself. know we gotta stay hydrated out here. All right, look at PayPal. Once again, to whoever asked about it, yeah, PayPal. Yeah, it was looking like a good level to buy. Only thing I'll have to say is it's kind of trading below all its EMAs on the lower time frame, but it is in the demand zone. And if we can get like a higher high, here, let's see. I would like to see PayPal kind of close out at 90 or higher before we go and kind of do something. But yeah, right now it's looking, today is like what I'm seeing with Palantir. That looks good to me. Let's see. Let me go to like a 5 minute on the Qs. The Qs is crossed to the upside, so that looks good as well. Let's go back to NVIDIA. NVIDIA is crossed to the upside. So if I had to like pick a direction for the day, I would say bullish, but we could also very well do nothing. Y'all know how that goes. All right. Gotta go study, working on learning charting. Hope my head doesn't explode. Hey, have a blessed day. And the money always. Let's get to it. All right. All right, hold up. We need to have one of these charts be Tesla. All right, so guys, okay, bye-bye PayPal. All right, so Tesla is once again, all right, so it's probably going to come take out this kind of 405 level, but beyond there, let's see what kind of moves Tesla makes. I think all-time high for Tesla is 415. So yeah, anything if it goes anywhere near that, hey, we're gonna be like witnessing history. Yunette, good morning. What do you think about swing calls for the SPY tomorrow? So here, let me take a look at things here. Let's real quick. Let's see if there's economic data. So tomorrow we have, okay, so tomorrow is a big morning. We got CPI. And then Thursday is going to be big as well. But CPI, I'm assuming that's what you're getting about. Honestly, just kind of looking at things here. Let's go. I would say the time to kind of have got the calls would be here, but it's still like there's still like room to run if you think it's going to do it. Just because this demand zone is right here, I could see us kind of slowly pushing up or kind of chilling right here a little bit, and then like kind of breaking and making new highs. So yeah, seeing that CPI right there, yeah, that could be kind of bullish depending on how it goes tomorrow. I would kind of lean on it being more bullish just with us coming into the end of the year. But man, look at Tesla. Wow. Look at it go. Yo, I gotta go look at my portfolio right now real quick. Let's see. Yo, I started averaging in a Tesla every day since April. Yo, I'm up 85%. on all my. I don't know. It's like I put $10 in every day, and it's almost like that 10. It's almost like I put $18 in every day, or $18.50. That's kind of beautiful. Oh yeah, Brian, I see what you mean. Yeah, he likes to take those spy trades and then just be like, "Yo, I just made this much profit." Why is BA going up? There's a short. Yeah, let's check it out. All right, so here, let's go to 15. Let's go to the here. Let's actually. Boeing has restarted production of its 737 MAX jetliner after a 7-week strike. Okay, so that's kind of bullish. The company now has about 4,200 orders, indicating airlines push to satisfy increasing air travel demand. Let's. All right, so that's going to be. It's because Boeing is resuming production. So as for right now, just with that, I wouldn't try to trade against it just because I don't know where that's going to push it. But looking at the 4 hour, I would say whenever I try to trade supply and demand on Boeing, it doesn't really go as well. So I might look at something more like a higher time frame, maybe like a weekly. The next weekly supply zone I see is up around like 170. So that's probably the next kind of place I would consider trying. It's like I would maybe see there's a weekly EMA up here. Maybe it kind of rejects off that, and this also falls in the supply zone. Get like a few weeks time on it. Grab a short here. That might be something I look for, but I wouldn't try to go against it while, just with what is going on, because that's kind of big. It's been 7 weeks, and it's like I have personally heard like from people at American Airlines talking about like, that Boeing was trying to doing kind of not doing well because of the fact that all these companies had orders, but they weren't getting their planes out. But if they can get their planes out, then Tesla's catching some more volume. Okay. Oh wait, hold up. Let's turn that volume on. Pulling video up down here. Video's not moving too much. But yeah, Tesla is Tesla is beasting. Let's get this money, sis. All right, jumped in an AI call. Yeah, there's a lot going on now. Yeah, we're very much so looking bullish now. One thing I want to say, AMD selling off. I'm kind of loving it. I think AMD is going to be the next share I start buying into every day. All right, so I was going to get in some, but I'm thinking about waiting for tomorrow. But by the end of the day, I might. Okay. Yeah, Tesla's going crazy. Let me do a quick Derive AI check. See if there's anything on there kind of. Oh wait, hold on. Go to all. Nothing new. Okay. Hey, that's a good move on your AI call. All right, so we got the Qs here. We got down here. Nvidia, kind of chilling, but still respecting at the same time. I'm gonna go up to like a 10 on Tesla. Go to a 10 on Palantir. All right, so it's looking like the Nasdaq's going to push up. Hey, is anyone else's SPY trades not showing their results on Robinhood? Oh, Robinhood. So yeah, is anybody else's trades on Robinhood not showing up properly? My Tesla. Okay, let's see. Oh, you know what? I forgot I'm supposed to share something. Real quick. Let's. There we go. Okay. Had to share the live stream link. Okay. 116 on the AI call. That's what's up. All right. Yes, I'm on Moomoo and it's not showing for SPY. What do you think? Huh? Is there something going on with the SPY? Hold on, I think I have like an old dead SPY call. Let me see if there's a. My Palantir call isn't moving right. Like Palantir has moved higher, but my call is not moving the way I'd like it to move. SPY is showing no volume. Yeah, SPY has like no volume today. We did take a look at that earlier. Like if we look at the SPY, like you can see, I mean, I would say the Q's volume is low too. It's like 28K. But the SPY, the volume is 19K. And usually it's one of the highest ones. Like if you compare that to that of a Tesla at 164 or Nvidia at 230, the SPY has like absolutely no volume today. Does Derive not accept Gmail email address? It does. Mine is a Gmail. I don't know what's up with that, but it does for sure. Cause yeah, mine are Gmail. All right, let's see. Meta is moving as well. Robbing us today. Oh my goodness. It's not fun being robbed. Oh wow, okay. Hold on, y'all. I had something faced the wrong way. Am I still in my SPY call? So the only SPY, I think I do have a SPY call, but yeah, I'm still in a SPY call. It's for December 12th. I'm down like 94% on it though. I think I'm probably just gonna let it expire. It's possible something could come of it, but yeah, I'm down like 94% on it. So if that's the SPY call you're talking about, it's for the 12th and it's, I want to say for 614. Yeah, I'm still in that SPY call. I don't think I have any other ones. Let me see. Oh no, I have some 618 SPY calls as well for December 16th. So yeah, I guess I had two SPY calls. I'm kind of just gonna let those do their thing. Like if we go crazy, we go crazy. If not, then those just kind of go away. Yeah, I still have it, but those aren't anything like I'm 100% banking on. Those were like I knew the risk when I took those. I'm watching it very close because it looks. Are you talking about the SPY? Go back to the SPY real quick. I would say the volume on the SPY looks interesting today. I would say it's probably wisest not to trade it, just with how low the volume is, because anyone could just come through. And if they wanted to like drop it off the face of the earth, they could. That's crazy. That's crazy to me. Whatever is happening with the SPY and Robinhood, I'm not fully aware of what's going on, but whatever it is, that's kind of wild. All right, let's see what the VIX is looking like. All right, so the VIX is going down. All right, that's on the 5-minute. All right, yeah, the VIX is going down. Let's check the PCE. Been kind of low since Trump went on that. You said the SPY. Yes, I had to sit out on it today. Yeah. Yeah, it's not looking like too much right now. All right, let's do a quick check-in on Apple. Apple's still doing some things. Not much today, but it's still like up high. Take another look at yeah, played Apple yesterday. Hey, that's nice. 200% gain. Oh, this Palantir trade, almost like there is nothing that like Palantir has pushed up, and it was up more. Like I think it was up more when it was at like 74 than it is right now at 74.40. Chase, good morning, family. Bull flag for Palantir. Hold up. I don't know. I guess it's going to depend on your time frame. Like on a 15, it looks like, yeah, it could be. I mean, yeah, just looking at it, to me, this looks pretty bullish, but bull flag for Palantir. Oh, wait, hold on. I'm back in the Roblox call. 57.5 for the 20th. Average down, or average 140. Down a couple dollars. Stop loss if it drops below 56. Any thoughts on what Palantir is going to do today? It looks like it's going to go up. That's my only thought. I don't really. Actually, it doesn't have to do anything today. So one thing that's going to be important and one thing you're going to want to look for is catalysts. Like you see, stocks will move from place to place, but usually if there is no volume or nothing to really make them move, they'll just kind of trade sideways in a range, barely moving. So there's not really any catalyst today unless some like news headlines come out. It's more like tomorrow there's the CPI. So that's some news, but hold on, let's see. King Mano, good morning. Meta gap down due to news. Let's see. What kind of news just happened with Meta? Wait, what? Are you sure it was Meta? Because Meta, or maybe what time frame are you talking about? Because seems chill for the most part. They got a price target range raised to 670. News wise, there's some increased scrutiny. Yeah, I think so. This just looks. If you were looking at it on the 1 minute, I could see how you saw that say it gap down, but honestly, it just looks like Meta is kind of continuing this trend. Looks like healthy movement to me. Oh yeah. Lost for me, kicked out of Roblox. Oh, good morning. Next. Thoughts on IWM? I have a 138 call. So right now, IWM, it's in a downtrend. So like I had a call on it, but I cut out for a loss. So you can see on the day, it's in the downtrend. 30-minute chart is in the downtrend. 1 hour chart is in the downtrend. 4 hour chart is in the downtrend. So yeah, kind of right now, I wouldn't like until maybe like the 235, 234 area. I wouldn't even look at getting upside unless the trend changes on a lower time frame. Personally, if you had to pick only one time frame, what would be your favorite? I like the 5 in 1. So my time frame is the 4 hour. That's where I make the most money, and that's kind of how I trade. So that's why it's like you'll make money during the stream. Me, it's like I'm either taking profit from a trade on the stream, and I'm either taking profit from trade on the stream or entering a trade on the stream. And more than likely, you're not going to see me enter a trade and take profit on a stream unless I'm trading like outside of the way I normally trade or that I best trade. Another quick okay, no progress. Sorry, I'm just trying to. I see somebody commenting on like yesterday's stream. So sometimes I feel the need, like if somebody's watching yesterday's stream, I feel like some people don't know that I'm currently live on this stream. So just want to make sure they know. All right, let's see. Coming back to it, I feel like I need to refine my list a little bit. I feel like I have a lot of stuff on here that I don't necessarily care about. Like I don't ever really look at Bank of America. I don't need Chewy. What else? I don't look at Marvel like that. Don't look at Reddit like that either. CrowdStrike. What's SMCI doing today? Let's see. Alright, so kind of like I said yesterday, or maybe it was the day before. No, yeah, it was yesterday. Alright, so yesterday said we were in a supply zone on SMCI and that we could come back to this trend line and we would want to see. So if this trend is going to continue, it looks like we're pretty much at a good level for anyone who wants to play it to the upside. This would be a good level to do that. If we end up breaking and getting a complete candle below, then, maybe we would want to look for this to actually first see if it holds at this 200 EMA, but then maybe retest this 32 level. So looking at ICCT for penny play for today, setting a buy at 29.29. All right, let's see how it goes. Crypto giving people more time to load up. Yeah, I'll let crypto pull on back some more. I would like to see XRP maybe at about like 190 or so. Might throw my $100 back in. Right now I still have like $10 of free crypto now. All right, so said 29.29. Where's that at? So we'll draw it about. We'll draw it about right there, 29.31. So a little in the red. Yeah, we're just slowing along today. Pull back on Palantir. SoFi is chilling like right at break even. Let's see. So you're in on ICCT. Oh yeah, I thought you were already in. I tried to put the line as close to 29.29 as I could. Let's see. There we go. So yeah, right there. Trying to find a good stop loss. Grabbed 1,000. Big roller I see. 1,000 shares. It's 1,000,000 times 29. Let's see. All right, pulling on back. Yeah, it's giving a little pullback right now. Nvidia is doing a pullback. Let's go to a 15 on this. Not a big roller, just 10% easier to. Nah, Brian, I think you're a big roller, man. Thousand shares. What's that like? Let me do the math on that. It's like $29. Hold up. 29 times. Oh wait. Oh no, $290. Oh yeah, that's big money right there. All right, SoFi. Yeah, I don't see anything like really. Hey, Tesla's kind of moving again. Let's pull that back up. Tesla's above 205. See if we can kind of continue this. See if we can go for all-time highs this week. But after we hit all-time highs, we're going to have some kind of pullback. Tesla will launch its robo taxi service with human drivers in California and Texas next year and plans to release a more affordable vehicle early in 2024. Wait, that doesn't even make sense. More affordable vehicle in early 20s. It probably meant to do early 2025 because that is, it's way behind early 2024. The year is almost over. Cantor Fitzgerald raises price target to 365 from 255, keeping a neutral rating on Tesla. Morgan Stanley has adjusted its price target on Tesla to 400 from a previous target of 310, maintaining an overweight rating. Let's see. Oh, you know what? I just realized here. Yeah, while we got this slow, I'm pretty sure Derive actually has like news as well. Let's see if there's anything good. All right, so they got tutorials. Let's see.
Hi everyone.
Oh yeah, I'm not gonna do that at the moment. But let's go back. I shoot for 15 to 30%. My home runs still happy. Hey. Oh yeah, it's pushing up now. Definitely pushing up now. Let me make this smaller. Here we go. Yeah, Nvidia's pulling back now. Tesla's going. Palantir's going. These updates. Okay. I know there's news somewhere here. I'm gonna try it off to the side over here. Oh, hold on. What's this? Oh no, that was something I did. Okay, so Palantir is pushing, finding some volume. Tesla looks like it's. When I say finding some volume, I just mean it's going up. Let's see. All right, so market summary. Major indices are showing a pullback in today's session. Let's see. Alerts. All right. I dig those 100%. Yes, 100% gains are quite difficult to come by. Okay, IWM is trying to return, come back up. All right, let me take a look. I'm trying to see how my Palantir contract's moving. All right, so I'm back up 25% on it. Still wild because I was up more on it. But it is what it is. Azure, good morning, good morning. Ooh. Alright. Just started watching your channel, trying to learn about options, but all I see are numbers and lines. So on the live stream, I have like a bunch of tutorials on like actually doing the options, but these lines and numbers are pretty much whenever I make a trade, it's going to be based off of something that I see here. So like say, I don't know, say Tesla was trading at 390, which it is or was over here, and I thought it was going to like 410. There would be something that I saw here that led me to believe that. And this is going to help me know when to buy in or when to buy or when to sell out if I am trading options. So that's what this is, because it's like you don't want to just buy options without really knowing. Why is it Robinhood chart move faster than Webull? I don't know anything about that. Robinhood's chart moving faster than Webull. If anybody else knows anything about it, hey, feel free to comment in on that. But yeah, I have no knowledge on it. Once again, I don't use Webull anymore. Yeah, I feel like we got like a whole lot of nothing really going on today. I'm gonna slow down to like a 1 hour chart. Okay, Tesla or Nvidia kind of got slowed down at that 200 EMA. Palantir. Yeah, Palantir looks like it's still wants more upside. Well, I straight missed that big head and shoulders on ICCT. Yeah, I'm on the wrong time frame to see that. Bought December 20th, Nvidia 155 strike. Yeah, I got that same contract. I paid more for it. Yeah, but I'm right here with you. At a worse, kind of at a worse price, but might actually go for like 2 more. Yeah, so I'm right here with you. I think even the 2 I just got, I still got for like, I paid more than you, but it's cool. Seeing Nvidia going down, so I thought I would wait. Hope that is the bottom. Yeah, you and me both. Yeah, hoping this news tomorrow sends us up. Because honestly, today is like one of those days to kind of sit out on the market. Because I don't think we're really gonna get too much beyond here today. The market is really kind of. It looks like it's more just waiting for tomorrow to really make its move. But I think this is going to end up being a good week for the market, though. Do you do these streams every day? Monday through Friday that the market is open. I'll usually be here the first couple hours of the day. Let's take a look at C3AI. Yeah, I'm bye ICCT. Alright, so wait, why did I have this marked on C3AI yesterday? Oh, I think I had this demand zone. And it almost pulled back. Oh, okay. No, hold up. That doesn't make sense to me. So it pulled back just okay, so we got one touch of the demand zone here. And then I'm very confused. I don't love the way this moves. Yeah, C3AI is being something. Went crazy for earnings, AI did, then sold off. Okay. I just like to right now I like to see AMD going down. That's gonna be my stock next year. If it doesn't go too crazy beforehand. Alright. I feel like whenever things are slow, I need like some kind of like some topic cards or something. Cause yeah, we're kind of just chilling here. But I also have nothing really to say. But I also don't just want it to be like chill and quiet, cause there's a stream, and there are currently like 58 of you out there just here listening. And I'm sure y'all are probably here to get this bread. I mean, I'm here to get this bread too, but the bread is kind of, right now, is cooking, and it might cook for a couple days. Jason, good morning. Good morning. Yeah, because honestly, right now, I don't think too much is going to happen. Once again, going back, looking at what we have tomorrow, I think we're waiting on this before we move tomorrow, an hour before market open. Bitcoin's kind of selling off. What are your thoughts on iron condors? So, iron condors, that's really where you just make money when it stays in a range. So when it comes to iron condors, I don't have a crazy amount of thoughts, but uh, I would say iron condors are good whenever, like, say, like a kind of Nvidia earnings situation, or not, yeah, Nvidia earnings. So it's like people expected it to move so much that it wasn't going to move. So it's like whenever you know it's like, hey, it's going to expire between this range, iron condors can be kind of like free money just because the premiums go up and they're a good money grab. But outside of those situations, I don't really love them. But yeah, I think they're a good money grab if you see the opportunity. But I don't really trade them. I think the only time I've ever really traded them, I didn't fully know what was going on. But now that I understand them, I still like don't really trade them like that. Maybe when I have like a much larger portfolio, but as of right now, I'm not messing with it too much. I think the first time I ever did Iron Condor, it was like one of those recommended trades that Robinhood has. If you see those recommended trades on Robinhood, don't take them. I think every time I've ever done one, it's maybe like 4 or 5 times, they did not go how Robinhood kind of made them look like they would. The wind is blowing my mic? Or maybe you can hear wind on my, I don't know. Oh, you probably hear the wind from outside. So I need to figure out how to use my mic a little better. I know it has noise cancellation features, but yeah, that's probably going to be on the list today. But yeah, there is wind blowing on my mic. Or there is wind blowing kind of in the background. Tommy, I think he hears like, it's like in the background. It's not like a direct like wind. Yeah, that's the wind's kind of like it's from a breezeway. I live in an apartment complex. Whenever it gets like windy out here, and someone leaves their door open, it kind of makes that little, I don't know, that little wind noise. I call it the mostly ghostly. Like you said, I've lost hope on Robinhood after today. Yeah, I really, when it comes to Robinhood, I like Robinhood because, like, the main thing I like about them is just the instant deposit and being able to use it right away. But, and because, everyone is, I don't know, just because everyone likes to use it, it's like I feel like the word Robin Hood has brought a lot of you to me. That's how I get a good amount of views just for doing stuff on Robinhood. It's like I might prefer to do stuff on Moomoo, but just because Robinhood is such a popular search term, I'm able to grow the family. All right, laughing at your Robinhood comment. Hey, don't take any trades off Robinhood. Like, don't take their recommendations. In my experience, they are garbage. Have not had a single one hit. It's like I just took my trades and I'm like, yo, what happened to my money? It's almost like Robinhood like puts those plays in there and then they sell the play. You know how Robinhood has that like payment for order flow where, or I'm not sure if they still do, but then I know for sure they did in the past where they kind of like other institutions paid them to see their order flow, like the orders that were coming in, and they could make trades against that really quick to kind of profit from the difference. It wouldn't surprise me if they did that same thing with the options contracts that they had on their list. They're like, oh yeah, these are the options we suggest, and then they're like, oh yeah, we're gonna make trades against all those, make sure none of those work out. Yeah, they definitely did. Yeah. Oh, speaking of GME, they have earnings tonight. Let's take a look at GME. So yeah, they have earnings. Not expecting anything crazy, but if you see anything crazy from GME, you know why. Let's see. Yeah, so I don't see anything too interesting with GME right now. It is on the weekly. Never mind. I was gonna say it's in an uptrend, but it's currently trading in a massive range. I don't even know what to say of that. Will C3 make it to 43 this week or 42 this week? I mean, it's already. Oh wait, hold on. Yeah, it's kind of already. I mean, I would say there's a good chance, like, because it's already spent some time above that level. So I would say there's a good chance that it does. No guarantees, but definitely could. All right, so Palantir is like dying. Yeah, everything is kind of just slowly dying now. But the so SPY's kind of at break even. The Q's kind of at break even. Tesla is still above 400, so that's good, but kind of chilled out a little bit. $118 open interest on the video. So let me do some open interest looking real quick. So Nvidia, we're kind of selling off right now. And now IWM's back, so that trade might not be dead, but I took an L on it. So here, let's see. Oh, I was trying to look at the open interest for next week. See what 45 is. Yeah, the 45 has good open interest too. So I think it's the multiples of 5, honestly. Let me check and see what the 160 has. Honestly, the 160 has a lot too. This could be leftovers from earnings because the 165 has 30,000. The 170 has 45,000. It might be leftovers from earnings. Not financial advice, lol. Do you have a stop loss on Palantir? So Palantir, I'm kind of watching, like, if we get a complete close on the 4 hour below this kind of 71.60 or like 71 level, that would be something that caused me to close out. Mahishu, good morning, good morning. Beautiful day in the neighborhood. Yeah, let's take a look at XRP. It's starting to pull back to my, y'all see I got a little demand zone right here. It came like just below it, yes, or just above it yesterday. But now, let me make sure I have my, I'm not sure, here, let me move that. Because I wanted to buy some if it pulls back here. Drop like $100 in. I'm gonna just put a buy on. I'm gonna put in $100 buy order right now at 196. Cause it'll probably like retrace, and if it retraces, I'll get some more. I'm gonna see how much I can like make with the $100. Cause right now I have just under 4 XRP. That's technically free. So I'm gonna buy. I'm going to do a limit orders or a limit order. My limit price is going to be 196 and it's going to be $100. So it looks like that's going to come out to about 51.02 XRP. So I'm putting that order in, and if it gets filled, it gets filled. If it doesn't, hey, it is what it is. Man, I hate when Moomoo is late on my delivery. Oh wait, I'm sorry. I'm not laughing at you, but I'm laughing at like there was this reel I saw on Moomoo the other day. Somebody like shared it on their story. Hey, you said I got 1,000 at 180 waiting in the clip on XRP. Hey, that's what's up. That's what's up. I hope it comes. Yeah. It was the one with the fridge. Yeah. Somebody like they said whenever you like, I don't know, it was like whenever you order something off of Moomoo, or whenever you order appliances off of Moomoo, and like you order like a fridge, and it's like you see the spot for the fridge, and then you see like just this tiny, like the fridge is like so small, and then he like clicks the thing for the ice message maker, and it's like he just barely pushes it with his finger, and it's like the world's tiniest ice cubes fall out, and it's yeah, I'm gonna have to find it, but here, let's see. What was the XRP move? So I put a limit order in for 196 at I put a limit order in at 196 or $1.96, and I put in, it was like $100, and then it looks like Hakeem did a similar order, but his is at 180. So if his gets filled, he'll have a better average. I think he put like 1,000 for that. So yeah, I'm targeting kind of this, I guess, the top of this kind of, you could call it resistance. There is a demand zone. Well, actually, the demand zone is more like 192. So I'm kind of targeting the top of this resistance right here, or support. Oh, that's actually where it came last time. I might slide mine down just a little bit. Actually gonna adjust it and actually make it line up with demand. So I'll do it. I'm gonna slide it down to like 193. So yeah, I'm gonna adjust my order just a little bit. Let's see. I'm gonna see how it changes things. So buy. Oh, not a market order. Go to limit order. 193. So it's gonna be about 51.813 XRP at that 193. How accurate is the simulated returns feature on Robinhood for options trading? I feel like it makes me pull out early based on what I see there. So it's nothing's there. There's no way to get like a perfect accuracy just because there are so many factors that come into options trading. But I'm gonna say it's probably one of the most accurate ways to predict. But it really kind of there's no really way to answer that. You say how accurate is it? It's like I can say, yo, it's pretty accurate, but it's not going to be perfect. That's the best thing I can say. Like you're still, if you're going to try to do that to set your stop losses, that's going to, yeah, you're probably still going to get stopped out in situations you don't necessarily want to be stopped out in, and then also uh, maybe not hit levels that you expect because of things like the volatility and whatnot. It's gonna, things aren't always gonna go the way it expects, and sometimes like it's not able to account for like say if everyone is expecting something to go up because of oh, there's going to be news on this tonight or there's a big event. Robinhood, like that simulator, is not going to have that priced in like the like you may need to. It's like after the market opens and the implied volatility starts running up, yeah, it'll be more accurate. But in the after hours, if you have some news happen, that the implied volatility factor is going to be knocked off for that. All right, so XRP looks like it's heading below 2 again. Let's see it come on down. I actually like to see it down here hit this this moving average. So yeah, let me move that down there. I might buy a little more at like 170. Said, all right, got it, makes sense. Hey, glad it makes sense. A lot of things don't. All right, so Nvidia trying to come back down, but also got this 200 moving average on the 4 hour. So Hopefully we don't like close out right here. Oh wait, no, that's Palantir I was looking at for that. So I'll let Nvidia do his thing for now. For sure, hold out till tomorrow. Right now, I'm still kind of like set up. I have some wild Q puts. The Qs would have to fall off so wild for those to actually be worth anything. I don't think I'm like set up for tomorrow if things go bad. I was going to say I'm set up both ways, but I don't think those puts will really, like, it would have to be pretty bad. Oh, I see what you mean. Okay. I see the Nvidia calls now. The 152.5 for next week. It says good and there's a medium chance of being profitable. I'm gonna just hold what I have for now. Don't need to get any more. Okay. Hold on, let's all right. Going on to the topic of looking at crypto, let's see how MSTR is looking. All right, MSTR down here at 363. See if we can get a gap fill down to this 271 level. I want to be alerted for that. I might grab something and go a little long, like a small little smidgen. I mean, there's technically another one right here, the 241 too, but all right, let's run through SPY, QQQ, IWM. All right, so family, I think I'm gonna call it a day, just because I want to record a video, but I also have some things I need to do today. So yeah, if I'm gonna get that done, I'm gonna need to kind of get off soon. So that's gonna do it for this stream. Here, let's see. Hopefully Nvidia holds this 200 moving average on the 4-hour. Palantir still looks alright for now. Hey, you too, Yoko's Lair. Welcome, Mahishu. Welcome, Josh. But yeah, that's going to do it for the day, family. Hope each and every one of you has a blessed day. Today looks like a good day to not trade, if I'm being honest. So yeah, enjoy your day. Matthew Manuel signing off. And I want to change your life. Dang, I was putting off painting the bathroom. Oh yeah, no. Don't go paint your bathroom. Hey, you're welcome, Jason. Alright, yeah. Paint that bathroom, man. Alright, yeah. Peace. Y'all have a blessed day.